Good morning. Welcome to City Hospital. How may I help you?
Good morning. I'd like to see a doctor, please.
Certainly. May I have your name, please?
My name is Raihan.
Thank you, Mr. Raihan. What's the problem?
I have had a fever and a sore throat for 3 days.
I understand. Do you have an appointment?
No, I don't. Can I see the doctor today?
Yes, of course. Please fill out this registration form.
Sure. How much is the consultation fee?
It's only $10.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, you can pay by card or cash.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Please take a seat. The doctor will see you shortly. Please have a seat in the waiting area. The doctor will call your name soon.
Thank you. How long will I have to wait?
It may take about 15 minutes.
Okay, no problem. I hope everything is okay. Are you here to see the doctor? Yes. I have been feeling sick for a few days. I hope you feel better soon. Thank you. I appreciate it.
Mr. Raihan, the doctor is ready to see you.
Thank you. I'm coming. Good morning, doctor. May I come in, sir?
Good morning. Please come in and have a seat.
Thank you.
What brings you here today?
I've had a fever and a sore throat for 3 days.
Have you been coughing?
Yes, especially at night.
Do you have any allergies?
No, I don't.
Are you taking any medicine now?
Only paracetamol.
Please open your mouth.
Like this?
Yes, that's perfect. It looks like you have a throat infection.
Is it serious?
No, don't worry. You'll be fine in a few days. Take these medicines twice a day after meals. Drink plenty of water and get enough rest.
Thank you, doctor.
You're welcome. Get well soon. Good afternoon. How can I help you?
Good afternoon. I'd like to get these medicines, please.
Certainly. Let me check if we have them in stock. Yes, we have all of them. Take this tablet twice a day after meals. Use this syrup 3 times a day. Finish the full course of antibiotics, even if you feel better.
Thank you for explaining. How much the bill?
The total is $50.
Can I pay by card?
Of course. Please insert your card.
Thank you very much. Have a nice day.
You're welcome. Take care and get well soon.